Hello, Sonarika, Rajneesh, and Hiten.
Hi.
Welcome
Hi.
to Hollywood Live.
Thank you.
Thank you. Welcome.
Yeah. Can you tell us about something about your movie?
As you can just, Sase. Sase means breathing. When the breathing starts, Sase starts. So the ghost comes. And the ghost comes, there has to be somebody who has to control the ghost. But before the ghost comes, love also comes. So it's love, ghost, and the professor. Who is going to catch who? This is the story about
See, now
Sase.
I'll put it nicely. Also, he's put it very in a funny way. I'll put it in a serious way. This is a romantic horror film, Saase, and obviously there's this couple which falls in love, and then after that there's a huge struggle with the spirit world, and where Hiten is there, Neeta is there, and we all are on a mission to get rid of the spirits and get her free from that life. But what happens in it, obviously you'll have to see the film for that.
We can't
And,
disclose that.
Yeah, so which you will see on the 11th of November.
Both of them have spoken pretty much everything that I wanted to talk about. So
tell
we can move ahead.
about your character?
We can, about my character. Yeah, about my character. So she's this girl, a very today's modern day girl,
yeah,
just like me and like you. And her name is Shireen, and she's an orphan, and she has a younger sister who she loves dearly. And how there's something from her past kind of haunting her, and how Abhay, Rajneesh is playing the character of Abhay, comes into her life, and then how CKB kind of enters the picture, and how things go from there is Sase. So for the rest of it, you have to go and see the film.
Do you like horror movies, and which is your favorite
No,
horror movie?
no. I hate horror films, and I have growing up, I haven't watched anything. But apart from Conjuring, Isabel, Jezebel, these little films that have come, not little films. I mean these films that have come just recently. I was forced to kind of go and see those films. So I did that, but I'm not a horror.
So then,
horror
how are you
fan.
promoting a horror film?
I am, because
you're
now
not-
I like
if
it.
you
No,
don't
no,
like
no,
them.
no, no. Now I like it. Good question.
Yeah.
Now that I've shot for it, and I kind of but I had fun shooting for it, and I know how horror films are made now, so I won't be as scared as I was earlier while watching horror films. So, yeah.
How is Rajneesh as a co-star?
Rajneesh, no, that's
मैं
not.
उधर जाता हूँ. You can talk.
No.
Then I'll come back.
No, Rajneesh is a wonderful co-actor, very supportive, and he is very opinionated in a good way. He kind of, when we are doing scenes together, he'll always, kind of keep thinking on how we can actually improvise, and how the scene would look better if we do it in a certain way. So that, and it was fun shooting with Rajneesh. He's a very cool guy, and we kind of vibe together, like the vibe is same.
What are the challenges of doing a horror film?
See, a romantic horror film in this case, obviously horror is something which has to be treated right. The treatment of the film has to be very good. Otherwise, it can get into that tacky zone. It can get into a very gory space. But this has been treated very well by Rajiv Ruya, the director, and the entire team. The music has played a pivotal role. In fact, whenever there's a romantic horror or a romantic thriller, music plays a very important role in it. And over here, our music director Vivek Kar has placed the music very nicely. And obviously, the entire shooting of a horror film and the twists and the turns and the thrilling moments, they have to be taken very well. Otherwise it can go down the drain.
Which is your favorite song from the movie?
My favorite song from the movie is Tum Jo Mile by Arman. Yeah.
You are playing
I
the
played
role
it.
of an exorcist. Do you believe in supernatural powers?
Until recently, I didn't believe, but हाल ही में कुछ ऐसा हुआ कि I was हाँ तो आज something happened which made me believe into all these things. At my shoot, some incident happened. One girl got possessed, and she literally everything got changed. Her face changed, her voice changed, and in fact she in that voiced it out that और भी 2-3 लोग हैं मेरे साथ बुलाऊं क्या. तो सब डर गए. अभी if it was only one person telling me, I wouldn't have believed, but the whole unit was telling me the same thing. So maybe, you know, there are forces, you can say. Maybe there are spirits going around here also, you know, you don't know.
You never know.
You never know. There are good spirits, there are bad spirits. Maybe somebody has done something wrong, or some bad has happened, or something is there. So it happens. So you never know.
That please go and watch Sanse on the 11th of November. It's a romantic horror film coming at a theatre near you. So go and get scared.